Hello friends, Namaste, welcome back to Myth, History and Recipe, and this is the second part of our very intriguing series regarding the oracle, the mysteries of the oracle. In the first part we saw about the myth of the oracle, and in this part, second part, we are going to see the history of whether the oracle was successful or not and what part it played in shaping the history of the ancient world of Greece. Before we begin with the second part, let's have a quick recap of the first part. Delphi was an ancient sanctuary dedicated to the god Apollo. According to myth, it was originally sacred to Gaia, the earth goddess. Zeus declared it the center of the world by releasing two eagles from opposite ends of the earth meeting at Delphi. Apollo, after slaying Python, established the oracle where Pythia, the high priestess, delivered cryptic prophecies. Pythia, who mostly used to be an elderly lady, sat on a tripod over ethylene fumes. Pythia's trances and utterances were interpreted by priests, guiding crucial decisions for ancient Greeks. Delphi thus became a hub of religious and political significance, intertwining divine mythology with practical counsel. And now we are going to have a look at some great prophecies by the oracle at Delphi, which shaped the history of the ancient world and ancient Greece. First, we take the prophecy to King Croesus of Lydia. King Croesus, the wealthy king of Lydia, sought advice from the oracle on whether to wage war against the Persians or not. The prophecy said, "If you cross the river, a great empire will be destroyed." Croesus interpreted this as a favorable outcome for himself. However, the prophecy came true with the destruction of his own great empire by the Persians. The second important prophecy that the oracle gave was regarding the Battle of Salamis, which was fought between the Greeks and the Persians in the year 480 BCE, and it was a turning point in the European history. Now let us see the prophecy to the Athenians before the Battle of Salamis. As the Persian invasion loomed, the Athenians consulted the oracle for guidance on their strategy, and the prophecy said, "The wooden wall will save you and your children." This prophecy was interpreted by Themistocles, an Athenian general, to mean the Athenian navy, and this prophecy led to a decisive naval battle at Salamis, where the Greeks achieved a crucial victory against the army of the mighty king Xerxes of Persia. Now let us know about the significance of the Battle of Salamis, which was won by the Greeks, taking into consideration the prophecy provided by the oracle. This battle proved to the Greeks that the democratic system could defeat an autocratic power and is widely regarded as a turning point of European history, as a mighty army of King Xerxes of Persia was defeated by the Greeks. Next in the line is one of the most intriguing prophecies. King Laius of Thebes sought a prophecy from the oracle at Delphi, hoping for guidance on his future offspring. The oracle delivered a chilling prophecy. His son would one day kill him and marry his own mother. Terrified by the prophecy, King Laius attempted to thwart fate by abandoning his newborn son Oedipus on a mountainside. However, Oedipus was rescued and raised by another king. Oedipus eventually fulfilled the prophecy, unaware of his true identity, by killing King Laius in a chance encounter and marrying his biological mother, Jocasta. This tragic fulfillment of the prophecy highlights the inescapable nature of fate in Greek mythology. So that was about some very amazing and intriguing prophecies given by the oracle, and whether these prophecies turned out to be real or not. And we also saw how these prophecies shaped the history of the ancient Greece and the world. There is no doubt about the fact that the correct interpretation of these prophecies was very important for these prophecies to be turning out to be real. And now, in the third part of our Mysteries of Delphi series, we'll explore the latest research conducted by a team of archaeologists, geologists, toxicologists, and chemists. This episode will reveal groundbreaking findings and scientific insights into the oracle's prophecies, the Pythia's trances, and the geological features of Delphi. Don't miss this fascinating deep dive into Delphi's secrets. Stay tuned. Meanwhile, please like, subscribe, and share, and press the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever we upload a new video.